Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here on the side, throw something in the air, about to put a plane up in the air, possibly a drone, rare drone. I think I'm gonna put the plane up in the air first. It's kind of misty and very foggy. Got my son Adam out here. Hold this for a second, Adam. My little assistant. So I'm out here with the BM26. I made some adjustments to the elevator. As you can see, it's pulling down a little more because I tightened that clevis a little, shortened the control arm. And so now I'm expecting it to fly straight. And also when I put it in manual mode, I'm expecting it to be able to be controlled instead of just going up and trying to do a loop. So let's get this little guy up in the air. I didn't bring my wheels again, so I'm gonna have to take off with this little plane with a toss. I got the boxer out here. It's all misty and everything. Hope I don't mess up the radio. Oh, I forgot to mention I added this larger, slightly larger 3-bladed prop on there. Uh-oh. I don't know if this battery is good. Let me see. The battery might not be good because it doesn't seem like it's spinning very well. Oh, there it is. I don't understand why I did that. But let's try to take off with it. I feel like I'm getting a little vibration with it now. So let's try. Really quiet. Check it out. Lights look awesome. Cutting through the fog. Man, the rudder is really nice too.
A bird is faster than the plane.
Okay, yeah, it's more leveled out now, y'all. When it's flying. You see, that's hands off right there. Let's see if I can pull off a maneuver. Yeah, it rolled pretty nice. Check it out. It rolled really nice. You see?
Whoa!
Yeah, it's rolling nice now. So that really helped. Definitely helped. Let's see a turn in the other direction. Yeah, it really helped. I'm gonna have to do a grass landing with it. Let's try a loop.
Do a loop.
Oh, not enough power for a loop. I gotta gather up some speed, I guess. Oh! And I think I lost connection on it. And so we went down. Sheesh. Yeah, it went down. Let me go grab it. Come on, Adam. Keep up. Let me go grab it before somebody runs it over. That was a pretty hard crash. It kind of did a nosedive. I don't think that battery held a good charge overnight. I'm trying to think, was it 2 nights? I think it was 1 night. And this battery is pretty old too. It's an E-sheen battery. Oh, it came loose. Sheesh. My little connection came loose. I'm guessing that probably happened from the crash though. But oh, this is not an eSheen battery, it's a little G&B battery, but it's pretty old, and I think it might have not held its charge overnight. Had a good flight with it though, for the most part. Let me pick up the pieces. Sheesh, my whole motor flew out. I didn't notice that the whole motor is out of this thing. But I got all the parts. It was just plug and play. The motor has a socket on there, a plug. And so I guess that's it for it right now. Minor repairs, not going to be too hard to repair this. I'm liking the way it was flying though, for the most part. I should have brought a larger battery out here. I haven't tested it with a larger weight though. So we're going to try it next flight. Well, not next flight, but next time I decide to bring this thing out and do a video, you guys will see the results. Probably won't be flying out here over the concrete with this anymore. Thanks for watching.